Hello. It's very windy, so we're gonna try to run 7.5 miles today. This is the deload week, so I'm gonna try it out. Super windy. Gonna go for an uphill run today. No pace set. Wow, what a windy day it is. It's a great day to try out my new sweatband. Yeah, I wanted to mix it up, and if I had a hat, that shit would come flying off. Whew. Okay, as I was saying before though, this is gonna be my deload week. So this is 7.5, and then we're gonna get right back to ramping up the mileage. In between that though, I'm going on vacation. Yeah, I'm going to Mexico. Relax. I'll do a little run when I'm there, and then I'll get back to the program. But today I'm just gonna run my run. Wanted to do some uphill. Yep. The rest of the update's gonna be super short. They're gonna be like this: mile 2 done, mile 3 done, mile 4 done. Okay, I'm done talking. Bye bye. Alright, check out this hill. Can't really tell. It goes up. See that? That's what we're doing. Yeah, but we're going up. I'm all the way up. Mile 2 done. Still going uphill. Can you tell? Can you see how high I am? How about where I was? Still working. Running. Made it to the downhill. 4.5 more miles. Let's go. All right. Got 3.89 miles left. I'm gonna turn around at 3.5, I think. And then we gotta go back up the hill, and then it's a big downhill, and for most of it I should be going with the wind, so that's great. Sweatband's awesome. Feel like a ninja. Woo! All 4 done. I can see my hair in the shadow. I look nuts. Freaking donuts. Alright, we are headed home with wind all around us. Hence why my hair looks like this. Yeah. Mile 5 done. 2.5 miles to go. That should be the last uphill right there. Right up there. So now, we're headed towards the big downhill. Yeah, baby. Big downhill. Fucking get it. Downhill, baby. Let's go. I got 2 miles left, and like, I think I'll hit 8 miles instead of 7.5. All right. This is supposed to be the fast one because it's all downhill. Oh, man, going up that hill was so worth it. I just like, ran down that whole hill in like 6.5 minute pace maybe. That shit was awesome. 1.18 more miles, 1.2 more miles, and then we're done. That was crazy. Oh man, going downhill, all this up and down bouncing. Whew. Almost made me want to throw up the Thanksgiving leftovers I had today. I had some good ham, some stuffing. I think I ate all the mashed potatoes yesterday. Good food. Couldn't help myself. I was so full before running. But luckily, it was a shorter, long run today. So it was good. 3/4 of a mile left. But I think I'm gonna finish at 8, so it's more like 1.25. 8 miles finished. What a windy day. My hair's crazy. I used 1 energy gel and 1 electrolyte shoe. So yeah, I'd say I'm pretty comfortable at 8 miles. That's great, great milestone. Running downhill was really fun. Just focusing on getting really quick contact on the floor, heading down. This was a good day. Heading into vacation.